This is a 1946 Chevy panel delivery truck. I like the grills on these trucks. Very bold. Simple but bold, and it has a touch of Art Deco to it, I believe. This truck has been completely restored. They took the paint down to the all the way down to the bare metal, and beautiful paint job. It happens to be for sale at Just Toys Classic Cars in Orlando. The interior was poorly lit, so I didn't get a very good view of it. Has bucket seats and looks like a standard interior. The paint job is kind of like a mottled textured finish on the dash. And you'll note in the back we have the two doors here that open, and one tail light. And that was pretty typical of the vehicles back in the day before they had turn signals widely used. Nice white wall tires and blue painted wheels. Running boards. It has a 235 cubic inch 6-cylinder, not the original engine, but one typical of the period. There you see the textured finish there on the dash. 3-speed manual. And here's a little summary of the vehicle. It's been just a few miles since it was restored. And here are the specifications. And these trucks were very common back in the day. So a lot of commercial uses. Notice that the parking lamps are above the headlights, and the headlights are bolted to the tops of the fenders.